Welcome to a project we're excited to share with you. I'm Stacy with my partner Hanxue. Today, we invite you to join us on our journey through the biodome, the insectarium, and the botanical gardens. As we explore these fascinating places, one thought keeps circling in my mind. Why do these organisms look the way they do? Let's take a look at the capybara, the world's largest rodent. Capybaras have fur that ranges from reddish-brown to grayish-brown, which perfectly matches the color of their wetland home: mud, grass, and fallen leaves. This helps them blend into the background, making them less visible to the predators like jaguars or caimans. But it's not just about colors. Capybaras have coarse, scattered bristles that help them break up the outline of their bodies, making it harder for predators to recognize their shape. This kind of texture-based camouflage is called tactile camouflage. In some individuals, you can even see dark stripes or band on the fur, which create extra visual disruption, help them disappear into a mix of shadow and plant. Altogether, their camouflage is a brilliant combination of color, texture, and pattern, all evolved to help them stay hidden and survive. What you're looking at is a katydid, a true master of camouflage. Its entire body, especially its wings, have evolved to perfectly mimic the shape, color, and even texture of leaves. This camouflage also includes detailed leaf-like vein patterns, jagged edges, and even marked to look like insect bites. Living in dense vegetation, the katydid use the incredible camouflage to stay hidden from predators like birds, snakes, and frogs. When the wind blows, it may even sway slightly, enhancing the illusion. Over millions of years, this camouflage has become its key survival tool, making the katydid one of nature's most impressive mimics. In capybaras, natural selection specifically shaped their dense, coarse brown fur, closely matching their wetland habitat, muddy riverbanks, and tall grasses. Early on, capybaras exhibited a range of fur shades, but those with fur color better blended into the environment were less likely to be detected by predators like jaguars. For instance, individuals with slightly darker brown fur had a higher chance of avoiding predation because they merged more seamlessly with shaded mud and decayed vegetation. These survivors passed on the genes responsible for the fur coloration, causing the population over generations to develop this adaptive trait as a direct result of natural selection favoring better concealment. The katydid leaf-like camouflage results from natural selection acting over countless generations. Those insects that better resemble leaves avoiding predation more effectively and thus have a higher chance of survival and reproduction. These led to an increased frequency of leaf-mimicking traits in the population, gradually perfecting their disguise through the ongoing process of survival of the fittest.
Finally, we arrived at the botanical garden, where we find the leafhops, also known as the living stone. This tiny plant looks just like pebbles scattered across the desert floor. Their camouflage helps them avoid being eaten and survive in harsh environment. So, why does this creature look the way they do? In nature, camouflage is not about beauty or strangeness, it's about survival.
Selective pressure drives the evolution of camouflage by favoring individuals that avoid predators. However, being too well camouflaged can make it harder for animals or plants to attract mates or communicate effectively. For example, many animals rely on visual signals, colors, or behaviors to stand out to potential mates. If a capybara's fur blends too perfectly within its environment, it may not catch the attention of mates during breeding season. Similarly, lithoid plants, while camouflaged as stones to avoid herbivores, may limit their ability to signal flower or reproduce when condition changes. This balance between avoiding predators and attracting mates show how natural selection shapes traits to maximize both survival and reproduction, highlighting important evolutionary trade-offs. Thanks for joining our journey.